to discuss about the rule number 5, and let me brief you that last 4 parts are available in the playlist for the love marriage yoga. Why I am focusing on these series, because 90% of the comments based totally first questions deals with the love marriage, whether they have love marriage, intercaste. So I thought that we should have such video series that when I'm not able to reply you, in that case you can get an idea from such videos. So if you have been together, either male or female, or with the love of your life for a long time, whether it could be academic, it could be college level, school level, and you wish to marry, or do you actually dream of doing a love marriage in your lifetime? So this video today focus on rule number 5, and the rule number 5 will deal with the Lagna Lord. The Lagna Lord here will explain the chances of love marriage if it is placed or if it makes an association with the following houses. So watch this video till end and subscribe the button as well as notification bell, because most of the bandhu bandhav complained us that we could not understand when the latest videos rises. That's why we are focusing today on the first house. So this is your first house. The first house represents our self, your stamina, your yash, apyash, your name and fame. Everything. The first lord and the Lagnesh plays a very important role in your chart. It is very necessary that the Lagna Lord must be very strong. It should not be placed either in the 6th, 8th and 12th house. So the first condition is it should be strong, and it should not be placed in such houses, because in that point of view its intensity, its powers definitely shrink. Now, how the first lord comes into the picture? If in your chart the Lagna Lord, check your D1 chart, if in your chart the Lagna Lord is making any connection, any yuti with the 7th lord, means the first house lord placed itself in the 7th lord, first case. And if this condition not holds, the first lord placed in the 5th house. If Lagna Lord is placed in your Kundli 2nd house or 12th house, in that case the chances of love marriage high. The rises will be there. For example, these are the parameters you just need to note down. What are the houses? The 2nd house is extension of family, 5th house love and romance, and the 7th house house of marriage, and the 12th house which deals with the sexual desires and sexual relationships. Suppose if you are from Leo ascendant, it could be any, check your ascendant chart. If number 5 is written here, number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number will be like this. Check your chart, check your ascendant chart, and note down who is your ascendant lord. Here is ascendant lord is sun. Just note down outside that sun is the Lagna Lord of this house. Now, what are the houses? 2nd, 5th, 7th and 12th. You just focus on these houses and check whether the sun makes any association with these houses and the lords of these houses. If it makes, the chances will rise. Now, step by step, if your sun is placed in the 5th house, that is the house of Sagittarius, that is the house of Jupiter. Or if the sun is placed here in the 7th house, that is the house of Aquarius and the house of Saturn. If sun is placed in the 2nd house, the house of Virgo, the house of Mercury. Or if it is placed in the house of Cancer, the lord is moon. If sun is placed, means here the ascendant is placed in these houses, the chances of love marriage increases. Depends that the Lagna Lord should not make any association 6, 8 and 12th lord. Means 6, 8 and 12th lord if 12th lord is malefied. If suppose in this chart, if the 6th house lord and 8th house lord makes any association with the Lagna Lord in the respective houses, in that case the breakup in that point of view can happen, and it would be happen in the dasha antardasha of the malefic houses planet. Rahu Ketu will change the picture of that love scenario. There will be conflict, there will be obstacles. After facing such obstacles, you will come to your destination, that's your love marriage. So these are the basic concept. If the first house lord making any conjunction with the 7th lord, 5th lord, 2nd lord or the 12th lord, chances for love marriage increases. Not only this, that the Lagna lord is placed in such houses, but also the Lagna lord is placed anywhere in the auspicious houses. If the Lagna lord is placed anywhere in the auspicious houses, and the 5th lord, 7th lord, 2nd lord and 12th lord, either one of them or all of them making in the yuti and the conjunction, then also the love marriage yoga are very high. So this is all about the basic concepts, rule number 5. In the next video we will do rule number 6 and see more parameters. Please note down, more parameters means more success, more chances to get into love marriage. You cannot ignore that either one parameter, two parameter. Yes, they are. If there is a one parameter hold and everything is good, aspects are good, then you can go for marriage. But if the chances of parameters are more and more, then you will definitely, after facing all obstacles, you will lead to the love marriage yoga. This is the basic concepts. So at the end, if you need any consultancy, you can download Jyotishgher Veda app, as well as you can visit our Jyotishgher websites. We have modified the websites, and in case free analysis, you can share your chart on Instagram by the name Jyotishgher, and we will try to reply you within 60 days with one question, and you need to share your Vimsotri Dasha plus your chart. This is the primary requirement, and please do not share your mobile number, your contact details in the comment box. Avoid spam reply, otherwise you will be blocked. No call will be made by the Jyotishgher team. All appointment will be based either by Jyotishgher Veda app or website, or all the options inside the description box. That's all for the day.